Welcome to IFA Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of IFA, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Erinmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of IFA. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. The daughter of Oshún who could not have children. Suyere, ense akwo kekori talausume lo sendie zeyeke seyenke. Ebo, adie yaran junkale, bogbo tenuyen yarako ase opolopo owo. Patakin, sacred story. Kéléy was the daughter of Oshún, tormented horribly by the constant deaths of her children. Her mind was never at rest because the Abikú, spirits of children who die young, were always after her. So she went to consult Òrúnmìlà. He divined for her and revealed this IFA, saying, "This is happening to you because you have abandoned the care of your mother, Oshún Iyumú. You have only focused on working, pounding ami, and seeking pleasures, without worrying about her. You must always wear her bracelets and also bathe with Ewè Amàdè, button gold plant, which is your secret herb to help you progress. Additionally, you must offer adie agada, a hen tied at the legs with rope, to Ògún and Òrúnmìlà. You must also venerate Ògún and Òrúnmìlà, the two spirits that live with Oshún Iyumú. When you have done all of this, you will be able to have children." Kéléy obeyed the words of IFA, and she was able to achieve happiness, have children, and become great on earth. Note: the person of this sign must obtain a conceives that is recommended under this story. Conceives, spiritual work. To resolve a marital problem in this IFA, an adie, marked hen, is given as an offering to Oshún and Òrúnmìlà. The ebo is performed with this hen, praying for the union of the couple. Oshún is also offered ame, pounded yam, mixed with beans, and a vegetable soup called kolande yanrien.